So TPOB just sent us the all new Go shaver. I've had this for a while and I just wanted to share you guys my thoughts on it. The Go series is TPOB's newest line of products after the release of the Play series. As you guys know, I love the Play series. It's my favorite set of tools out right now, so I have very, very high expectations for this. The Go series really has some big shoes to fill. So far, the Go clipper and shaver are out, with the trimmer on the way, and I'd love to review the Go clipper for you guys. I just haven't had a chance to grab a production version just yet. I've had the samples for honestly like half a year, so hopefully next time they're in stock we can get our hands on it so that I can review it for you guys. So first, let's unbox this machine. So as always, the box has this really nice artwork and it's got all the information in the front and the back of the box. And when you flip this magnetic flap and you open it, you're presented with the shaver, a box of accessories, and the charging dock. And it's all surrounded in this very nice foam packaging. The shaver itself has 10,000 RPM torque motor for ultra fast and smooth shaving. It's got hyperallergenic double foil for a close and irritation-free finish. It's got an LED battery ring indicator around the power button, rubber velocity grips for better ergonomics, and the shaver charges by USB-C and comes with a charging dock. All right guys, so I think this is a great shaver. Probably the best that I've ever used. Not that I've used every single shaver out there, but I have used a lot of them. And this has been my favorite shaver ever. First, I love the design. Although it is a plastic body, it doesn't feel cheap, and the paint has a really nice matte finish. The velocity grips feel very secure to hold, and I think they might be interchangeable in the future. There's 2 screws on each side, so I'm assuming that you'll be able to customize these shavers in the future. It's got really big thumb grooves on either side of the machine, and it has really round edges. And overall, this just feels very comfortable to hold. The cap has a magnet for added security, and I love the LED ring around the power button. The battery life is great. With a 4-hour runtime and a 2-hour charge time, this will last you all day, especially since it comes with the charging dock. I feel like all machines should come with the charging dock nowadays, especially with prices going up. Having a charging dock makes the runtime a bit less important because you can just set this down on the dock in between uses, so it's always charging. And the dock itself is pretty nice. It has a glowing TPOB logo on it. The double foil on it is nothing crazy that I haven't experienced before. It's very smooth, very comfortable to use, and my clients haven't had any irritation from it whatsoever. The Go shaver has 10,000 RPMs, and you can feel that power. This is the most powerful shaver that I've ever used. More than the Metal X from TPOB, more than the Gold FX from Babyliss. I found that I balded out skin fades very easily, and I feel like I didn't need to pass through the same area as much as I needed to with other shavers. It does the job just so efficiently and smoothly. Efficiency is just so important for us barbers because the more efficient you are in a day, you can cut more clients, and more clients means more money. And honestly, it's better for client experience as well when you're able to become more efficient. No one wants to sit at a barber chair for 2 hours, guys. The bald part of a skin fade is the foundation of the fade. If it's not smooth and it's not consistent, then neither will the rest of the fade. The shaver being so powerful has just really helped me speed up my fading process. I've tested this out on all types of hair texture and thickness, and it hasn't struggled one bit. I'm just really impressed with this machine. Best of all, this only costs $100 USD. Now, it is the most expensive shaver in the TPOB lineup, but it's also the best. And when you're comparing it to other brands' prices, this is still extremely affordable. In my experience, the last few years using TPOB products, the quality is always improving and the bar is always being set higher. Not only in build, but in performance as well. You don't have to agree with how the company is marketed and all the antics, but one thing is for sure, TPOB is a company that's here to stay. It's a company that is applying insane amounts of pressure to the other barbering companies by providing us one of, if not the best tool arsenals out there at the most competitive pricing. Guys, I would love to try out other clippers out there, and when I do have some extra money or I saved up enough from ad revenue or affiliate commissions, I will go get some clippers to try out. But guys, clippers are friggin' expensive, man. Like, I mean, the Stylecraft Instincts are almost like 400 bucks Canadian. I bought the 245 set for around $400. Wall Vapor was 250 bucks. End of the day, I'm not a rich barber or YouTuber. I work full-time as a barber like most of you watching this video. We all got bills to pay, and it's hard to want to spend that amount of money on other tools, especially if there's premium tools available for a fraction of the industry standard. And I completely understand investing in your tools and in your craft, but I feel like companies nowadays are just taking advantage of barbers who just want to have good quality machines to help put food on their tables and make a living. Anyway, I'm not sponsored or anything. This was sent out to me, but this is all my honest opinion. I do have a discount code, and it's in the description, and that'll help save you 20% off TPOB products. It really means a lot if you've gotten this far in this video. I'm hoping to create a lot more content with you guys. There's a lot of very exciting stuff happening. I got a new studio that's in the works right now. And so I'm just very, very looking forward for next year and to keep creating more content for you guys. Thank you for watching.